Hi and welcome to the breakfast show where I talk about one topic you need to know before you start out your day. Today we talk about the Xbox One and PS4 controller that's finally supported on iOS 13. Finally. So you probably know that there is WWDC 2019, the Apple convention right now, and there Apple announced that they will be supporting the Xbox One S controller and the PlayStation 4 controller for iPhone, for iPadOS, because that's the new OS for iPad, and for Mac TV as well. And that means support for the games in iOS 13, iPadOS and tvOS 13 as well. So that also means additional options beyond the MFI certified controller, so not only the controllers that Apple advises that cost a lot of money and all that stuff. No, you can just use your PS4 controller or your Xbox One S controller. So I will now be able to use this PS4 controller with my iPhone. That's pretty sweet, unless it doesn't have iOS 13, so I can't use it yet, but I will be able to, so that's cool. That's pretty sweet. Right, that was it for today. Let's start the discussion down below. Let me know if you like this new feature on Apple or not, and if you're going to use it. Hope to see you tomorrow.